Hi folks, how are you? Today is Thursday the 25th of April and we've just spent the night down next to Giorra-dam there, and it was a dry calm night but very cold and very frosty, and we are here now to do a couple of single munros, up one, back down, across and out to Meall Buidhe. It's a beautiful morning, the sun's just rising, and thank you for joining us. Let's go and see what today's adventure brings, eh? Hopefully a heat. That's the route ahead. It's a well-worn path now, and it zigzags up steeply to reach this ridge, and we follow it out to the summit, which is hidden just now, but it's a good bit away. Let's go. So after a nice easy lead in, you come to this section here, and it's the start of the pool. Gaining some height and the clouds moved in to create that inversion. Wow. Head up over this bump, down to that little saddle there, up to the cairn, then it's a long walk out to our true summit. So this is an intermediate top, the start of the ridge, a wee descent, then we go along, and that's our true summit over there. After a wee while we come to the final section here, which takes us up to the top, and that's us coming up to the summit itself now. A wee crest, and there she blows. Nice place to pitch a tent, yeah. True summit. Beautiful cloud inversion. That's the Glen Lyon range there, Ptarmigan Ridge, and Meall Buidhe there. Beautiful, isn't it? Then right around there to Craiglanlarroch, Benmore and Stobinion, and that's the dam at Meall there, and Glen Lyon, and Hisgarnish there, and Craigvoe. And spinning round here to a couple of Corbetts. Ben Manach's in there. Straight away through in the distance is Cruachan, which we could see yesterday when we were up Ben Dorain and Ben Dothai there. And spinning round here to the Blackwater area. And then right through, that's the Buckle you can just see there. And then Glencoe, Anarch Ridge. And then Big Ben in the centre there. All the Mamors, then spinning around here at the Blackwater Reservoir, and the Munros along that side there. And for today we're heading over there in a wee while to Meall Buidhe. Time to go. The cloud inversion almost gone, and our route ahead. Is one brutal, knee-jarring, steep descent. Phew, this section, and then we have a little running along the side of the hill and then down to the road and back to the car. And we're back to the dam, which is still spouting out water. It's very ferocious, that. There's a tent there picking up some of the sunshine, hopefully drying out. Yeah, it looks a bit drier now. Mind you, still get condensation spots on it, see it? I just need to open the doors for a wee while, I think. Time for a brew. Wee coffee. refreshed. We've had some early lunch, loaded on the calories. So here's the route ahead, and we're heading for Meall Buidhe. There's a nice view of the back end of the dam. You can see some nice wee ducats here if you wanted to pitch in there out the wind. Did a wee bit of walking. There's a small cairn here which indicates the point to turn off. Pretty marshy and peaty at the beginning, and as you can see it's a bit wet today, and we have to go way up that direction there. There's a look ahead. We're up past this stony section, then it's more peat and hag till we catch the ridge, then it's up to that intermediate top before we trek out to the summit. Forgot to mention, this is the only source of water that I've found on each visit to this hill, and it's just down from that cairn there, so keep that in mind. After a good while you get onto the summit ridge. Unfortunately that's not the real summit. The true summit is away over there at snow. Beautiful views all around, eh? Let's get going. A lot of snow in the air, eh? Just waiting to thaw and drop down. We're getting there now. And a decent big cairn for a nice effort to get to the summit of Meall Buidhe here. There she goes. That's Schiehallion and the Glen Lyon 4 munros together, and all the munros over at the Lowers range. Meall-nan-tarmachan. Beautiful, eh? And way over there to meet Meall Buidhe. That's the hill we were on earlier there, stuc-an-lochain, through to Benmore and Stubinion, and spinning round to the ones at Bridge of Orchy there. That's Bendorain, that's Bendotai there, and you're getting into the Glen Etive area there, with Crease and Ben Giorra-dam there, and the big Buchel and Bidhian behind them, and Agag on this side. Then round here got some crackers, Big Ben Nevis, the Mamors all around there, and through there to the Craig Maggie Reserve area and Spain Bridge. Beautiful, eh? So here's that other cairn, which is just along from the original one marking the start. This indicates another route up the hill, and it's pretty straightforward up and down. The ground's a bit firmer, maybe not as marshy, so it might be worth considering. It ends up in the same place anyway. This is almost back at the cairn now. This is back to the cairn now, and that's the second Munro done, and the fourth one for this little outing. If you stayed with me for this long, thank you very much. Hope it wasn't too boring, and thanks for tuning in. Had a good chat there with a chap from Newcastle. His name's Bob, and he said 83 Munros is done. Good conversation all the way down there, and it helps to break up that marshy, swampy descent. Anyway, so I'll finish up now and say cheerio, and I hope to catch up with you the next time. Look out for each other, keep safe, and hopefully the petrol or diesel will have been doing a wee bit. Cheers, ATV.